Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to adjust the watch band on your Pulsar watch. As you can see, we have this mesh bracelet, so the sliding clasp system. And for this tutorial, you can either use a flat screwdriver, so a small or medium one, or you can use the spring bar removal tool. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below to the basic watchmaker toolkit, and you can find it inside there. So what you want to do is to take your tool, so in my case the spring bar removal tool, or your flat screwdriver, and insert your tool right here, so on this side, in order to lift up this flap right here, so this metallic piece. Make sure to push it on the other side, so towards the other side all the way, and now my sliding clasp can move up and down. After you have adjusted it to the right size, simply push it all the way back in. You can hear a small click. In case you are unable to do that, you can even use the same tool in order to push it the other way around. So as you can see, I inserted right here and then I pushed it the other way around in order to close it all the way. Now make sure that it is secure, and once everything is fine, you are good to go. You have adjusted your mesh watch bracelet on your Pulsar quartz watch. So guys, that was the quick tutorial that I had for you today. In case you enjoyed, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really means a lot. And also, if you would like to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to see you on the next one.